this episode of
Fish and Grills!
Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for watching another episode of Fish and Grills. Today we're going to be diving into something seriously underrated. That's right, the kala. First off, the kala is just straight up delicious. It's got a nice rich buttery flavor. This one is a game changer. You can grill it, fry it, steam it, doesn't matter. But today we're going to cook up some kala curry. It has a very tender and flaky texture that just melts in your mouth. The kala is also very nutritional, packed with lean protein. It's perfect for those trying to get some muscle and load up on some heavy fats. And also you're going to get some omega-3s, which will do wonders for your heart and brain. Stuff your body craves to keep you energized and sharp. Drop a like if you love kala and comment how you like to cook it. Next up on the menu, octopus. In Hawaiian, it's called he'e, and in Japanese, it's called tako. There are many different ways to cook and clean tako. But this method we're doing right here basically just takes out the guts, the eyes, and the beak, and try to preserve as much of the meat as possible. And then we're just gonna keep it simple and throw it on the grill. Grilled taco, baby. We'll also be cooking up some chicken on the side. But before we throw it on the grill, we're gonna soak it with some barbecue sauce and some Hawaiian chili pepper water. Give it that nice smoky flavor. Alright, now it's time to get started on that curry. First, we're gonna put in some red curry paste. Then add the onions, the garlic, the kala, and the shrimp. Give it a quick stir and let it cook up. Then we're gonna add a couple of cans of coconut milk. And some delicious bamboo shoots. A nice spoon of creamy peanut butter. A couple drips of patis fish sauce. Then we'll add in the bell peppers and give it a nice stir. And let all that flavor soak together. Before we throw the taco on the grill, we're gonna throw the kala with the bones and the skin on top. Cook it a little bit and scrape off some meat. Alright, now time to grill that taco. You want to cook it on low heat for a good while. Get those legs nice and curled up and crunchy.
Bruce. Yeah, so let's get it.
Looks like the curry's done. Let's get the snacking.
I see you, see me, see you. Take this fatty right here. Okay, I'll take this one. Oh, wow. Major. Oh, the coconut. Is it fish, you said? It's almost like chicken. It's so good.
Kala chunks,
Oh,
shrimp.
that's what it is, the kala. Wow, tell you, it's so good.
Holy crap. So delicious.
Get a little bit of that, a little bit of that.
Homemade curry, I love it. Yeah, kala in here, shrimp, vegetables.
The texture of the kala, chicken, so it's like firm. It's so good, man. Coconut.
Coconut milk.
I mean, you gotta love Thai curry, man. Oh, yeah. Shigo, huh?
Shigo.
How's the texture of the fish?
Major. Yeah, so.
Oh, soft. Nope.
Soft?
It's good, bro.
Yeah, soft.
Oh, yeah, super soft. Tasty.
Nice smoky flavor.
Oh yeah, that's surprisingly soft.
What is it?
What is that? Oh, like and subscribe. Here at Fisher Girls, we're looking to come to you live at your next paella, cooking your friends and family some fresh snacks. Boo. Shoot us DM for more details.